Okay, good day, everybody. I am Kasem Saitong, and today I'd like to introduce the Association of Control Technology in South Asia, or AATSEA. And before that, actually, the AATSEA, we have the laboratory here, then AATSEA office also here, and then we have our staff. That one, the first one is Dr. Uh, Jill Song, you introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Song from China. I'm senior scientist of AATSEA. Welcome to AATSEA and thank you.
Yeah, this is our senior scientist. And second one, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Benyapa. I'm researcher at AATSEA.
Yeah, this researcher at SE. We also have the Dr. Lung Lat, also the scientist in our laboratory, and also we have about the technician. No, about technician, we have about three technicians. They are working now. So I try to let everybody know that the SC or Association of Agricultural Technology in South Asia has been established from the year of 2011 until now is about 15 years ago, and ASEA is non-profitable organizations, and we try to group the scientists in South Asia, and finally we have our scientists group from almost over the world, that we have about now 18 countries from Russia, Finland, Egypt, Nigeria, Botswana, and also in Asia, from Japan, from Egypt, Iran, and South Asia on. This is in detail. And the scientists that we are trying to group together, share experiences together about research. And what we have done, that we concentrate the research for environmental protection. And that means we try to do the research that can be the protect our environment in the field of the agriculture, and especially about the how to stop the toxic agrochemical, because toxic agrochemical are now on over the world. The toxic agrochemical, they are listed in soil, in water, in environment, and also in agricultural input, in food also. Let the human being get the cancer and very short life. So what we have done is we just try to our best to promote to each other. And this is all scientists that together with us, we something like we are sacrifice work for the society by our knowledge, by our experiences. So what we have done is we have many activity. The main activity, we have we after we group together, we try to promote the young scientists also. That's why we established the uh, international journal of agricultural technology. I will talk later. We established the international journal of agricultural technology, or IJAT. This time indexed by SJR Scopus Q3. And the second one is every year, uh, 11 years ago until now, we organize the international conference on integration of science and technology for sustainable development. Move country by country. We move from Thailand to Laos, from Laos to um, uh, from Myanmar to Philippines, from Philippines to Vietnam also, and Indonesia, and China, and India, and last year, and during the COVID, 2 years of COVID, we cannot move on. So after COVID, we organize we went back to organize in India. in India. That the icon I kissed International Conference on Integration of Science and Technology for Sustainable Development, or I kissed. So the I kissed 11 we organized in India last time, and this year we organized at Rajapat Lamaiphani University, Thailand. This one will be the 12th I kissed that we organizes. The main key that we like to organize the international conference. That means we like, or we wish to let the scientists in the same field in agriculture, especially for on in organic agriculture, ecology, environmental protection, come to join together, share experiences together, and especially the young scientists. The young scientists can have chance to present their work and improve their work by experiences, exchange experiences, and listen or communication with their senior scientists to meet each other. And this is our target. And the other is we are do research also. We are do research, especially me. I am doing research. Actually, until now is over 30 years. So my research I bases on the after I finished doctor degree from UP Los Angeles, University of the Philippines, Los Angeles, in 1989. Until now, I have been doing research until now. So we have released of a lot of the bioproduct. My field of specialization is about plant pathology, microbiology, and after that I have been collaboration with many scientists from many countries to develop and doing research, try to uh, search and develop the bioorigin products to be used instead of the chemical fertilizer. By this time we have full set of that one. So this is what we have done. And the last one, we now we do organic certified. Her nickname is Tong. You know already. We do organic certified. I will talk later how AATSEA certified organic in Thailand and in some country. Until now is about 8 years already. So firstly, I like to present some of the my bio product that I release. Uh, Actually, the first one that I have been done is about this one, chitomium. Uh, Chitomium is a fungus belonging to Ascomyces, and I have found many species like Chitomium globosum, Chitomium cupem, Chitomium coxoides, Chitomium elatum, Chitomium siamense, Chitomium lacnovense, and Chitomium elatum, and so on. On species of Chitomium that I mentioned, we also learning on about the active metabolites with Professor Somdet Kanok Methakul from Khon Kaen University and Dr. Professor Kwanjai Kanok Methakul from Khon Kaen University. They are chemists. So that means we publish the own species of chitomium that we have found metabolites or new compounds. And a lot of new compounds we have, like for example, we found chitocobosin C from chitomium globosum and chitomium elatum. We found roteolin from chitomium cuprem and others. On species of chitomium that release the new natural product or new compound that we already published, that or already learn or know that they are not only inhibit human pathogens like anti-cancer, many cancer cell lines, and also anti-tuberculosis caused by mycobacterium tuberculosis, and also anti-malaria caused by the Plasmodium falciparum, Candida albicans, and so on. We published already, and that, but also not only human pathogen. That's it. but also phytopathogen as well, like Phytophthora, Pythium, Fusarium, Collectoricum, Magna Protea, Olaise, Cerbere lunata, Sclerotium rosei, and so on. So after that, I'm actually based on plant pathology or plant pathologist. After that, I developed this chitomium on the we skinning this on strain to be resistant to chemical fungicide, resistant to chemical herbicide like paraquat alacor, resistant to chemical insecticide like for example the chlorpyrifos, parathion, and other. I test a lot, screening a lot, and also resistant to chemical fungicide. That's mean this can be very durable when we release to the environment, because what I think is, if we are going to apply chitomen into environment, into the soil to control soil-borne disease or root disease, and if the soil, the accumulation with the toxic chemical, they will be not grow very well, or they might be die or something like that. That's why I do screen for resistant strain of those chemical fungicide, those agrochemical, and also the screening the on species, they can grow together with the chemical fertilizer, like if some chemical fertilizer they remain or resident in the soil, like 4600, 15, 15, 15, 8, 25, 25, or on formulation, the our strain of chitomen not dry and grow normally grow. If they have the chemical resident in the soil, no problem. So after that, we before we tried, we developed to be bio-ocean products, and during the time that I have been thinking a lot and doing a lot, and after that, how can I make the on chitomium species to be mixed together? So that means I take about 1 year to another year to talk to think to study about the synergistic effect. That means all species of chitomium, they can live together in the same place, not antagonistic to each other. This is very important point. So I am so lucky. All species of chitomium is the synergistic effect and like symbiosis. So that means they can grow, they can live together. So that's why I developed the chitomium biofungicide to be a broad spectrum biofungicide for disease control. That means this formulation can control several kinds of disease, because they have several species of chitomium like that. Actually, the chitomium, the basis on the chitomium species, I have been done. I start to research this one in 1986 when I conducted my PhD thesis in Philippines. I screening the chitomium species in Philippines, and screening the good isolate to control light blast caused by particular or like say really successful. And at the same time, at that time I have been from Professor Comido from University of Minnesota in USA. He recommend me. He become my personal advisor, and what Professor Comido, he is the published a lot. He published some paper about he find the chitomium globosum to control the plant disease. This is possible to control the stock lot of corn in 1975, and before that in 1968, Professor Tweed and Professor Moore from United States, he found the chitomium to control the Helminthosporium leaf blight. I also search and read on, and I really good chance to meet Professor Komido. He suggest me on how to do it, and uh, and after that, in 1983, Professor Andrew from United States, he found the ketonium cobosum control apple scab caused by Venturi inequalities. The and that's why I am so excited and so interesting. So I continue, and then uh, I also have chance to meet the Professor Udagawa from Japan. He is a very good chemist, and he have published some metabolized from ketonium also. I communication with them, and another one is Professor von Ax from Netherlands. I meet him also. I have chance, very good chance during I study. Professor von Ax, he produce, he's, I believe that he's the father of the ketonium species in the world, because he is the first one to make the ketonium textbook with very good monograph, uh, not only from light microscope but also scanning electron microscope also, Professor von Ax, and he is the one to confirm my identification, and then some culture of ketonium I also deposit in CBS culture collection in Bern, Netherlands, and and at the same period I also meet Professor Muller from Switzerland. He is also expert on ketonium also, and Professor Muller is also introduce, suggest me or recommend me to how to going on about ketonium research. That is, I'm very lucky. Then after I finished the doctor degree, I thinking about this species really interesting. I came back to Thailand, and before came back to Thailand, I write the research proposal, something like the isolation identification of ketonium species in Thailand and screening for pen disease control. And this research project I submit to the International Foundation for Science, IFS Sweden. I got the funding from IFS Sweden, and I start to do research going on. And at that time, I have the personal advisor according to the IFS suggestion. He's a Professor Alabote from France. He also very good in working on the biological control of plant pathogen also. So I meet very good teacher. I think I never forget all of them. And after that, I after I got the IFS research project to develop ketonium, I continue renewal until the end. That's been about 8 years. About 8 years support me. During the time, I also have a grant from the Third World Academy of Science from Italy, also. And after I worked for 10 years, uh, the bioelectron product of ketonium become a broad spectrum biofungicide, and then I check toxicology, acute toxicology, dermal toxicology. This is very important. If we are going to release to the environment, must be check toxicology. So it safety. I have the recommendation is safety. After I patent ketonium as a broad spectrum biofungicide, and some countries start, some country the registration, like in Laos, in Vietnam, in China, registration as the bio fertilizer, and also by the time also registration in Cambodia also, and being registration in Myanmar and in Thailand. So that's mean it's about over 10 years already that some farmer in some country have chance to use this ketonium for disease control, and very successful. This is about the ketonium species. So I have the liquid formulation, penlet formulation for slow releasing, and also and also the liquid formulation that you see. This is liquid formulation of ketonium. This is ketonium. So and after that, my research About 5 years ago, that I said we know about the metabolites, many metabolites, active metabolite from ketonium species. So we use the crude extract, or sometimes we use the pure compounds of the ketonium, and we put in electron spinning, and they split out, become nanoparticle. Uh, and this nanoparticle or nanofiber, we formulation, after formulation, we apply this nano is, I call nano elaster, or sometimes we call atomic elaster. And this one, after, if we apply to the infected plant, they will the plant will uh, produce phytoalexin against the disease. Like for example, if we apply to the infected chili from anthracnose caused by Coriculum capsicum, the chili will produce capsidol. It is a phytoalexin against anthracnose disease. And the others is, if we apply this nano lister to tomato wheel caused by Fusarium oxysporum glycopesticide. So after that, tomato win immunity to Fusarium wheel. That mean tomato can produce the phytoalexin, namely alpha turmalin. And also this nano also have been tested in durian, in citrus, in dragon fruit, in and other. And on their I published already. You can find my publication in research gate, and they produce phytoalexin. Ketone ester have been registration in many countries now. After I discover the registration in Laos, in Myanmar being registration, in Cambodia also, and in Vietnam also, like that. And now they are doing marketing already. This is a nano lister, and it has been about 2 years ago, before COVID. I have been in Russia, in Sochi, in Russia, and Professor Oksana, she's collaboration with me about the citrus management or citrus disease, and she test a nano lister to the citrus in Russia, and this is very successful. We have publication paper also. This is our nano lister. So what we have tried to develop the bioproduct. Another one I call BOT-F. BOT-F something like the crude extract, the crude extract of ketonium and trichoderma and others mixed together and become liquid formulation. And this one we can apply to for foliar spray, for leaf disease of fruit rot or others. Very successful also. This is BOT-F icon. This is in terms of the disease. We use this, but at the same time, is if you are in your country, you don't have my product, don't worry. If you are going to control the disease, if you are going to do organic, you cannot use chemical fungicide at all, and you can apply the bioproduct, other bioproduct like trichoderma, bacillus, cleocadium, bacillus subtilis, or others. But I said remind that those microorganisms or bioproduct must be the registered from the Department of Agriculture, Ministry of Agriculture in your country, to make sure that you get the good one. Because I know that many people in this field, they don't know much. They do very wrong way. I can say it's a fake bioerosion fungicide. There are a lot. So this is can guarantee like this. So the other bioproduct that I have been developed is about, I have one. I have the Dr. Silen from Myanmar many years ago, and she's worked on insect fungi, and after that I developed gathering, and also at that time Professor Colombiet from Russia. I have been collaboration with her until here over 10 years. Professor Colombiet also very good he's a microbiologist, and he also work on BT, Bacillus thuringiensis. So that's why I wrote until now I have some effective species. We call first one we have icon too easy talk icon bio insect. Bio insect, this is mainly included with metallizum and Bewulia. Now this is my isolate, and we develop to control some insect and worm, farm insect and worm. In detail, I will inform you later. And another one is this is Bacillus thuringiensis. I call Lacua. Lacua is a Bacillus thuringiensis. This is can give very good control of the worm, some worm and insect. I think uh, all of you know very well about BT or Bacillus thuringiensis. I'm sure that your country have Bacillus thuringiensis or BT, metallizum bewuria, but uh, should be observed the good one. And if someone like to produce by yourself, I will introduce during we are going to my laboratory of microbial laboratory. I will introduce you about the micro organism, that how can you maintain your microorganism to be effective all the time. This is very important. This is for insect control. This is our product, and the our product is normally the I also do research a lot. About 30 years ago, I during the time that I work on ketonium, I always go to forestry to take the soil sample, and also at that time I work on mushroom production. Also I also go to forestry to collect mushroom, and also to collect the soil, the rich soil high. That means the soil high organic matter, and then I bring the sample of the soil, come to isolation and finding ketonium also at the same time. I do a lot of things. Now I have a book of for example, I have a textbook of mushroom and macrofungi in Thailand also. then at that time, after I got the many strain of fungi and bacteria, then we screening for fungi and bacteria that they can produce some enzymes or enzymatic microorganism. That means we find the fungi, like for example, we find the Aperas oryzae, they can produce cellulase, decay cellulose. Ketonium can produce ligninase, decay lignin, and we have mucus species, penicillium species, Sartoria species, Emericella, loculosa, Emericella nidulans, and also the mucus cercinoroides, and others. Then in each species of microorganism, they can produce different kind of enzyme, like enzyme cellulase, ligninase, protease, lipase, amylase, and this one they after we have a group of the microorganisms that can produce many kind of enzyme. The purpose is I also screening as ketonium, screening for resistance to chemicals, screening for for synergistic effect. That means they can combine together, and also I also the screening for they can deliver from the pH very acid, pH 3 to pH 6, 8, they can grow, something like that. Even temperature, I screening from temperature 7, 8, and until temperature until certified, they can grow also, not die or something like that. Ketamine also skill like it. And after that, about I think 30 years, almost 30 years ago, I have biodecomposer. The first time this biodecomposer, the Thai government support me for 5 years to promote the farmer to make the compost or organic fertilizer to increase rice yield. 5 year, 5 year. Northeast, I so successful because at that time nobody believed that we start to learn, we start to know that about our environment, our environment is changing, and we have to do something to protect our environment. We are scientists. We have to do. Otherwise, our world will be a lot of disaster, uh, a lot of the uh, a lot of the environmental problem, something like that. So we try. So at that time, I developed biodecomposer for degrade to make compost or compost production, and develop. I also help the farmer. Whenever the farmer like me to help, I will help like that until now. You see. Then this one we call biodecomposer. This is 1 liter can make the composting to be 1 ton, like that. So after that, I also finding the microorganism that can degrade phosphorus, like can degrade log phosphate, animal bone, yeah. And after we degrade available or soluble phosphorus will come out a lot. So that means we have microorganism, and also we also screening microorganism to degrade potassium, like potassium feldspar or ash. Those those I mentioned, they have potassium, but not in available form. But if they have the microorganism to degrade, like Penicillium apiarus species, after degrade they will release a lot of potassium. So that's it. And after that, I have microorganism to degrade different raw material to release different kind of plant nutrient, because we are learning in agriculture. We know the plant need uh, uh, 13 element, 13 nutrient, like that is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium. This is major element. Minor element: copper, boron, zinc, iron, uh, chlorine, and manganese. This is minor element. All necessary nutrient every morning know that the plant need to be growing. Cannot, if you lack of this kind of nutrient, the plant will be showing symptom of nutrient deficiency. We know very well. So this is very good way to do the organic fertilizer to be used at that time. Must be used together with chemical fertilizer, if not do organic. But the most of the people, most of the growers still don't believe it. You see, if you apply only chemical fertilizer, only NPK, some trace element you spray over that one, and that after for some time the soil will become bad soil, very acid, very bad air and water drainage or something like that. So that finally not good yield. The yield is low every year. So by this time, every country appear about this. But we are going to do organic. That means if we are going to do organic, the farmer will ask, how can they use, how can we have the fertilizer to be used instead of chemical fertilizer? I said I have. So that's why I have the microorganism to degrade several kind of the raw material to release several kind of nutrients. That's why by this time I developed bio fertilizer with high nitrogen and high organic matter to be used instead of urea 4600. I have the microorganism that can degrade phosphorus to induce flower. We have the organic fertilizer with high potassium to let the to increase yield. The fruit will be bigger or something like that. And we also develop or produce the bioorganic fertilizer with high natural NPK equal to chemical fertilizer. So you forget chemical fertilizer at all. So that's mean this is our we try to develop the biological product to be used instead of chemical because we are promoting now organic agriculture. So after that I develop the liquid formulation first. The liquid formulation, for example, this one NutriCrop. NutriCrop is a high amino acid and high nitrogen naturally, including microorganisms that can promoting plant growth, like Bacillus subtilis and others, and so on. Actinomyces, others, and so on, mixed in this one. Big icon NutriCrop, high nitrogen. And the second one, the NutriFood. NutriFood is a liquid fertilizer with high potassium, high humic acid, together with the microorganism that can promote plant growth, and this is can used to be increased yield. This is very successful also, and the other we also have the uh, liquid fertilizer with natural NPK equally. So this is also include the microorganism that promoting plant growth. This is can use to foliar spray or spray into the soil, into rice soil, can be, and very successful. Now this is a liquid fertilizer with different formulation. At the same time, we are doing the organic. So sometimes the farmer they try to stimulate the flower. They like to stimulate flowering so with by organic way. So I develop bioflower. Bioflower is a organic substance. If can be used, can be sprayed to stimulate flowering induction, and this is very successful also. So that means we no need chemical add on. And another one is sometimes we have to stimulate new root come out, new leaf flush come out, or even sometimes in fruit very easy to fall down. Even durian, date palm, citrus, pomelo, lemon, the easy to fall down. So I use key tech to stop the foot drop like that. What is the key tech is the uh, derivative of chitosan. The derivative of chitosan, and we make become nano chitosan, and mix with some microorganisms like Bacillus subtilis mixed together, and this one can be used to stimulate root, stimulate flower, and also delay or stop foot drop. Very good also. This one very successful. And we have the on full set, and what we have done is the recently actually many years ago I have been searching looking for the soil revitalization or soil elimination. That means in the soil in water there are contamination with heavy metals, and heavy metal also they cause cancer. So and then I collaboration with some scientists from India like Dr. Lalita, the others. By this time, we have the several strain of bacteria and fungi. They can degrade heavy metal, and in detail, I can do busy. I will tell you. We have some publication also, and by this time we release our bio product for to degrade heavy metal. We have soil elimination to degrade heavy metal in the soil, in water and environment. This is very effective also. That's it. And this is the bioolution product that developed by me. And by this time we move we have the AATSEA laboratory here. Actually we have two laboratories. This is AATSEA laboratory, and then I already introduced LIMO. LIMO is Research Institute of Modern Organic Agriculture, belonging to King Mongkut Institute of Technology, Lacabang, Thailand. This is a government. This is a government university. I'm still work in it at the King Mongkut Institute of Technology, but Lacabang. We have laboratory there also. So that means we have two laboratories. So what we develop the other thing is the organic fertilizer in, because the organic fertilizer in liquid formulation sometimes is the nutrient is not enough. But if we are going to do the organic fertilizer in powder form, in pellet form, you will have all nutrient necessary on the plant. Like for example, if you develop the organic fertilizer with high end, nitrogen is high, but not only nitrogen, they will have phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium, and others. You will have on uh, copper, boron, zinc, choline, iron, manganese. They have on necessary nutrient, but nitrogen is the highest one. So this is very good even compare with chemical, with urea 46, only urea. We are better. You trust me. So that means about 1 year ago, after COVID, I'm in Thailand mostly. Normally, about 20 years ago, I on many people in other country invite me on the time to move around many country every month 20 years ago. But during COVID, I cannot go, so I promote more in Thailand. And after that, the farmer, I teach the farmer to produce the organic fertilizer with different formulations. Sometimes the farmer cannot find raw materials, and if find, they not, production cost will be high. So they ask me to help. After that, I make the fertilizer for farmer. The first one, King Farmer. So King Farmer is registration at the organic fertilizer already. And the King Farmer now I have many formulation. We have King Farmer with high nitrogen. We have King Farmer with high phosphorus, high P. We have King Farmer with high potassium, and also King Farmer NPK also. This is in you help me open. This is in powder formulation, and can be applied in different state of plant. Difference. This is NPK for general growth. This one powder. Yeah. No smell. Yeah. No smell. Yeah. And this one high P to induce flower. High phosphorus. And this is high K to increase yield. This is powder formulation. That means the King Farmer organic fertilizer also we produce in powder formulation to be used for organic production in vegetable, in fruit, in many kind of plant. But after we apply this one uh, will have available nutrient for the plant growth. But about recently, actually about few months ago, because I'm the teaching or working at the King Mongkut Institute of Technology. By this time, I also in charge of the director of the Research Institute of Modern Organic Agriculture, or LIMO, KMTL Thailand. And after that, I talked with the president of KMTL and staff. We try to help the farmer. We like to help the farmer. And then finally, the university decided to open the company. They call K1 company, belonging to KMTL. This is a government one, to produce the organic fertilizer, another brand. Now you can see that one. we can see four kings organic fertilizer. The four king organic fertilizer, actually I have many strain of microorganism. I use different strain of microorganism to different formulation when compared with the king farm, because I work over 30 years until now. So this is the but the king farmer, but four king, nah, as I said, four king we make pellet formulation, only pellet formulation. You can see pellet. This is pellet formulation. So four king also we have the four king organic fertilizer with high nitrogen formula, high phosphorus formula, high potassium formula, and also NPK formula also, but in pellet form. Just separate that king farmer is powder form, four king is pellet form. So this is a full set of the agricultural input that we support to organic farmer. If organic farmer have the problem, we can support. Except for organic fertilizer, except for king farmer and four king, the product, biocon product that I point here, if in Thailand, if the Thai farmer they like to use, I will let they become the member, and I produce, and I did not get the profit. That's only production cost, to help the farmer on this one. That's it. That's it. We are doing now. Yeah, you see, this is our research. Now I'm going on to do research. Also, I will show you later. So this is our the actual input for organic production. Then when we talk about another activity about organic certified, for organic certified, I have been certified organic by AATSEA, by Association of Agricultural Technology in South Asia. In the world now, they have the organic or certified body, many also, like IFOM. IFOM is International Federation of Organic Agricultural Movement, from Italy, Germany. They have IFOM Asia, IFOM Africa, or all over the world. They have the regulation. They also have the organic USDA, organic JAS, Japan, and in each country have organic regulation also. But those of the organic certified body is a bit different from SC. And that's why, for example, in general, if the farmer, the farmer or the organic grower, they like to certify organic, it seem to be difficult. You must have the plan to be the border area, or you have to good water. You have many things, many requirements, but it is very difficult. But for SC, we modify. Actually, in general, regulation the same, but we modify. What we modify? We modify, that means if whenever the farmer like to do organic, I like the farmer stop right away, stop immediately, and after they stop, we will go to check soil, water, environment, surrounding environment, and after that, after we check, we have the quick test into the field. We have been checked. This is just for example. Just show you for example. Don't send me one. This one we have quick test. We check the for example chlorpyrifos, the insect, insecticide, literally in soil, in water, in crop, in plant, in fruit, like that. And we also check the organochloride. This is quick test organochloride. When live, I will show you again when we live organochloride, and also this also insecticide, parathion, pyrethroid group also. This is a chemical insecticide. And this one another technique. This on quick hit pyrethroid group, and others. We also have the quick test to check the chemical herbicide glyphosate, and another one paraquat also. This is herbicide, and others we check chlorothalonil just for example, and also this one carbendazim for disease control. This is for antagonists disease control, and others. This is we check. We have more than this, and also check this one organophosphate and carbamide. We have two. We have this one. Yeah, we have this one and this one. I will show when I live in the farm, in the organic farm. I will live and show you again. And we also make the something like video to let you learn also about this. And this is a quick test in the farm. And also we also not only pesticide, AATSEA organic certified will check nitrate. Yeah, nitrite. This is nitrite. Yeah. Nitrite also. This is nitrite. We check nitrite in water because nitrite is cause cancer also, and also sulfur dioxide. We check sulfur dioxide also. This is on dangerous chemical, and also we also check nitrate. We also check nitrate and formalin in food processing. In food, I will show later. We also check formalin. Formalin also really dangerous. Some food processing they use formalin, and other chemicals, other synthetic chemical. We also have the quick test. This one we check in water, in the field. After we check, if we found, we also check heavy metal. I will show later. Real time, we know real time heavy metal. I have the machine. If they have heavy metal, for example, we have we will introduce microorganisms that can degrade heavy metal, and the other also we will recommendation suggestion how to reduce or decrease or get rid of those toxic chemical that contamination in soil, in water. We have knowledge. That mean our organic inspectors, our organic inspector will work as organic expert as well. That means if they said you must stop to use the chemical, you must stop to use chemical fertilizer, we have to recommend them to do which organic fertilizer can be to be used instead of chemical fertilizer. That means our organic inspector will work as the organic expert as well. We work with the farmer. We work, yeah. By this time, about I think 3 years ago. By this time, about 3 years ago, I training the organic inspector, international organic inspector, about at least 10 countries. At least 10 countries already. So after we check first one, you can see the result, something you can see like it. Yeah, we check from soil, from water, and from vegetable, from fruit, durian fruit, citrus fruit, grapefruit, like that. And this is in general the result we will show. This is a quick test. So after we see, we gradually go to help the farmer until we not found, not detected. This is I have done until not detected. On what I said, after not detected, I will look output. The output is durian fruit or grape or citrus or banana or papaya fruit. This is our output. We will take the sample and send to chemical analysis laboratory ISO standard. And if chemical laboratory ISO standard, by the time we use AMAT. And if they check after they check on chemical that I mentioned, after they check they not found, I will certify. Sorry, I should AMAT. I will find AMAT. Yeah, this one. Yeah, for example, this one, AMAT is Asian Medical and Agricultural Laboratory and Research Center. So this is the report from Coco. This one, just the lean time. We check on, you see, carbamate group, carbamate group, on and so on, uh, like that. We check on group. Then see the others also organophosphate. We check on in detail, many detail. No, sorry, I pass fast. And pyrethroid group we check again. And also in SC laboratory we check nitrate, nitrite, and heavy metal. This is we check. And you see, we also check human pathogen, Salmonella and E. coli also. This is human pathogen. Actually, we have quick test for Salmonella and E. coli also. You can bring. We have also. And what I have been. This is we have conclusion already. AMAT, what we check, you see in detail, and we have the instruction of quick test instruction, how to do it, like that. And yeah, okay, that's okay. This is we check from Salmonella and E. coli by quick test also. See, so this is quick test. So the after AMAT, not detected. You see, ND not detected on SC Win certified organic, and it is very good chance. About almost 2 years ago, the owner of the sentence top supermarket, they have the AATSEA Foundation. AATSEA Foundation, that means this foundation try to help the farmer by organic way, and they have been talk with me and sign agreement, collaborative agreement with me, that whenever we are going to do organic certified in vegetable, in fruits, and also in organic animal and food processing, for organic food processing, whenever we use our process to certify, this is the regulation of AATSEA to do organic certified, like it. We will after I certify, the farmer can sell fruits, vegetable in supermarket, top supermarket all over the country. Good, man. Good. That's it. That's it. That in Thailand. Maybe other country, maybe you can follow what my idea, what I have done, my way, what I have done. So that means I start a lot of work. I always said I have two hands. I need more collaboration, more hand. We work is mostly we work for sacrifice work for the society. We work without salary for the organic certified. I tell so many the scientists allow me, or in SC everybody know we work for the society, because we try uh, the farmer to be better life, long life, and also consumer can take safety food without toxic chemical. So by this time, if I certify, I will certify by SC or certified by Earth Safe, powered by SC organic certification, and also some I certify like Remo SC organic certified. Remo is Research Institute of Modern Organic Agriculture KMTL. This is a government. Also we collaboration. This is what we have done. So after that I will show you in my microbial laboratory, like that. So, I'm sorry. Before going to microbial laboratory, I have actually I have the release the textbook of the ketone. This is very thin, but I work for 30 years. I read only this. This is a scientist. Yeah, you see in the book that we can show what we have done. We see a lot of the chemical compound, and then ketonium also many species. This is my textbook. And also I have a chapter writing together with some scientists. This is organic farming for sustainable development also. organic farming for sustainable development, and also the basic and applied aspect of biopesticide. This one also. And now I am writing a chapter on book, at least three chapter will be released soon. So I like you to see what I mentioned already, that the AATSEA already doing the internet in IJAT, or International Journal of Economic Technology, or IJAT, and this is actually this journal is going to be 18 years already, and now it's indexed by SJR Scopus Q3. So this is I like to promote the young scientists to be published their research, because if we are going you are going to do research, you must be publish some of your result to let the world, to let the society know what you have done is true, because scientific way, that means we can prove it's true or not, like that. This is very, very important. Every 2 months we have one year we have 6 issue. We have 6. If you interesting, you can, some researcher interesting, you can submit to our journal. This one. And so now we go to the room บอกให้ขึ้นข้างบนเลยยังไม่เสร็จนะครับไปใส่เสื้อขาวเลยบอกเลยเร็วโอเคดู and this is the AATSEA research laboratory, AATSEA research laboratory, and the AATSEA research laboratory mostly we concentrate on the microbial biotechnology research. And what I said, this is I will show you. And before that, before this, I like to show you about the nano illustrator product. You can see this is a nano particle or nano fiber, different with the different metabolites, and this is we make to be nano illustrator for plant immunity. This is we call nano fiber. I already mentioned. I just let you see. This is the nano particle or nano fiber. How it look like. After that, this one I formulation to be, and then I call the nano illustrator for plant immunity. This one I will discuss in detail again about the nano illustrator. But in our laboratory we also have some equipment. This is we check organic matter in laboratory, just for quick test also. Well, actually not just quick test, for to help the farmer. This is solution, and like that. This is we check the organic matter and nutrient, the plant nutrient also, and heavy metal we can check from this one also. That's it. But when I went to the field, when I go to the field, when I go to the field, that I said we have the quick test. When I go to the field, we have quick test. We being in the field, not only the pesticide detection quick test, but also we measure the soil. We also measure the soil, the pH, measure pH of water. We check pH of soil, not only surface, also deep in the soil, and also we measure the soil temperature from the surface or deep into the soil. We measure the temperature, soil temperature also, and the equipment that we check. This is we check we check nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium. This is the lean time, and also pH. We know the lean time. This is can be checked. We call available nutrient. That means a nutrient that can dissolve in water and can uptake immediately. We can check that one in the soil in the real time in the field to suggest how to manage nutritional management for the crop growth, especially organic fruit production, really important. And also we also measure also the minor element, copper, molybdenum, iron, choline, manganese. Also we have on zincs. Also we have on, this is the on necessary nutrient or event. We have the lean time. We check when I check, not only check the surface, also check in the deep also, like pH also. Not only check in the surface, we also dig the soil until 1 meter and check also, especially for the fruit, for the fruit tea, because the fruit is so big, and the root system also deep in the soil, in the lysosphere soil. So we have to check, random check on. And our requirement that I said, we have to check heavy metal. So this is a quick test also, heavy metal. We also check heavy metal and we can know the real time from arsenic, As, chromium, Pb, lead, cadmium, and Hg, mercury. So we check the heavy metal also. That's I said, if we find heavy metal is a lot over in soil and in water, we will recommend to apply the microorganism that can detect heavy metal. This is the sample. And also I have shown you already, we check the nitrite in water also, and we also check nitrate. This is for check nitrate in soil, in water, and also in organic products, like in organic, in vegetable, or in fruit. In the fruits also we can put. I will show you during highlight. This is check nitrate, because as nitrate, heavy metal, nitrite is cause cancer. You can find that this is so dangerous. So this is what we have done. For this is for so when I go to the field, Tong must be hold this one. Go to the field. Many people think, and Dr. Song from China also, Dr. Lung also, and I have another staff from Philippines also, and from Cambodia also. Dr. Pierre from Philippines, from Cambodia also come to help us. So now I like to explain a bit more about our laboratory that I said. This is you can see, this is the area that we culture microorganism. This is the beneficial microorganism on, and we have our technician. We have our technician. Hello, สวัสดี Hello. The first one. Manager. You manager. You
Yes.
introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name is Ira Tusi.
Nickname.
Nickname Mot.
Nickname mốt đầm black ant นะ เหรอ second one มา What's your name?
สวัสดีค่ะ My name is สุกุมาพัชศาสตร์ nickname สุค่ะ
So this technician. Last one.
สวัสดีค่ะ My name รุ่งฤทัยกันนิยมค่ะ nickname รุ่งค่ะ
Lung. Okay. Thank you. ขอบคุณมากแล้วก็ this is our technician. So now I like to see they are working to transfer the microorganism, both fungi and bacteria. Now we like to see chetomium. For example, this is chetomium what is that? Chetomium basilense. You see what look like? หยิบมา second one อะไร อ่านดิ chetomium ketonium coccoides coccoides you must remember
Okay.
next one ketonium elatum ketonium elatum ketonium globosum globosum next one ketonium lacnovense เรียน ketonium อะไร what ketonium cuprem then ketonium สยาม siamense ketonium siamense so we actually we have more this is different set of ketonium that I said and for the this is the we culture and for the we also have the microorganism that can degrade or make a biodecomposer. You can see from here. From here, this is acetonium. This is urodium. Urodium. This is trichoderma. I have the trichoderma hacianum and trichoderma hamatum. And this is emulsilla. And this is the Apelus japonicus. And then En, what En? Emericilla nudulans, Apelus acetonium televopsis. And this two is the metallizum and Buillia for insect control. And just for example, Long show the bacteria, some bacteria. This is BS Bacillus subtilis, and this is the bacteria for degrade heavy metal on bacteria. This will be from degrade heavy metal, and we have Saccharomyces fungi also. This one and this one, yeah. About lead bacteria, lead me this one. No, this lead bacteria, Pseudomonas, orange bacteria, Celathea. We have, you can see this is one beautiful. Yeah, some look beautiful, some look beautiful. This is orange bacteria. This is Celathea, Mersaceae. This is also very good strain of bacteria, and this is the we call red bacteria, Lodosunomonas. Also, you see red and pink. Red and pink. You can see very clear. Yeah. So this is we culture. We culture that on our technician expert. Don't get my technician to your country. They work with me. They work with me. เขาซื้อตัวไม่ขายนะเว้ย so this one you can visit our laboratory to training anytime. Just contact me. That is what you see. What is our work, and I will code like the group here. So and today okay. This is I just make introduce about AATSEA, what AATSEA do. In conclusion, that AATSEA we have done many things that I already discussed, already explained to you, and the most important is we do research. We never stop to do research. We never stop to find the new one, the new one. We have to find something new. So we work every day. Not no holiday. ทำงานทุกวันมีวันหยุด work, especially we work every day. So this is our staff, our technician. I hope to meet you if you like to come to visit us also. Okay, this is what we do in AATSEA laboratory. Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Song. Thank you everybody. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ โอเค